Hello! In this video we will discuss how to find the velocity and position of an object from the acceleration it feels. You might recall that, to get the position of an object if we know the velocities, we can use the following method. We start at the time where we know the position of the object, which we will call x0, as in the position at time equals 0. We find the position of the object at the next moment in time, which I will call x1, by multiplying the velocity by some small time step and adding the result to the previous position. We then do this again at the next moment in time, and so on and so forth until we get to the moment of time that we are interested in. To get the velocity based on the acceleration, we are basically going to do the exact same thing. We have to have knowledge of the acceleration at all points in time, as well as the velocity at some point in time. We are going to start at some point in time where we know the velocity of the object, and I'll call that v0. Next, we will take a small step forward in time, so we will multiply the current acceleration by that small step in time and add the result to the previous velocity. This results in the velocity at that small time step later. We can keep repeating this process until we get to the point in time that we are interested in. If we also want to find the position at this small step in time later, we then use the method I already talked about to get the position. We just have to make sure to use the velocity we just calculated. So there is a trickle-down effect here. We take a small step in time, during which velocity is changed due to the acceleration, and position is changed due to the velocity. In math, calculating the position and velocity at time step 1 from time step 0 looks like this. When doing these calculations, the smaller the time step, the more accurate your results. Of course, the smaller the time step, the more times you will have to compute the results. An infinitely small time step would be ideal, and using the power of calculus you can do just that. Plus, you get the added benefit of very little computation. However, we will not be using any calculus in this class. I just thought I'd give you a sense of why you should go learn it someday soon. Thanks for watching.